Good afternoon to each one of you, and this is Sushain Call. And today I have come up with another Power BI assignment. The name of the Power BI assignment is Electricity Report. So this is the data set. This is the link which will lead us to over here, and we are supposed to create an electricity report for any specific duration of years. That is, be it 1990 to 2020, as you can see on your screen, 2001 to 2003, or 2001 to current year, or 2021 2021 to 2025. So we have so many options, but we'll be working on 1990 to 2020 year. And I have already downloaded these excel files, these three excel files. So let me show you that. So yeah, these three are the excel files we'll be working on. And without any further delay, let's jump onto our Power BI report. I have already created the report. Today I'll be showing you, I'll be giving an overview of how and what steps I did to achieve this Power BI report. So let's begin with that. The very basic step is to uh, upload is to import the data set we require, so that we can create the report on that. So the necessary step is to go to Excel, click on Excel workbook, and select each one of them one by one. I have clicked on one Excel file. Let's wait till it gets connected with that. Yeah. So now you can see over here there are so many files, but you can select only one. No need to select all the files. All of them have more or less same data. So I have selected this one. um, Print, yeah, this one I have selected, and I have loaded it into my Power BI desk. So just check the table which you want to load it, and click the load button. I cannot do that because I have already loaded it in my Power BI desktop. And similarly, you can follow the same steps for the remaining two files as well. So let's start with the report. The very first visual you see on your screen is the card. So this card demonstrates us the amount of electricity that has been generated since 1992 2020 year. So the value is 681 billion megawatt of energy that has been generated till now, till 2020 year. So the field which I have used is, let me just scroll it down. Yeah, so the field which I have used is generation megawatt. And let's hop over to our second visual, which is a line chart. So the field which I have taken for this is, yeah, so the field which I have taken for this is axis. I have taken as year, values I have taken as count of energy source. So this visual gives us a overview of what is the number of energy sources that are available for each respective year from 1990 to 2020. You can have a look from this visual. So the next visual is a area chart. In this, the fields which I have taken is axis as energy source, legend as type of producer, and values as generation megawatt. So let me tell you what this visual portrays is. This visual tells us what is the electricity being generated by each energy source and type of producer. For example, if you select this one, see, combined heat and power. The name of this is combined heat and power. So the type of producer is combined heat and power. So combined heat or power plus nuclear or natural gas together, what is the amount of energy that is being generated by them? So this is what area chart demonstrates to us. Let's jump on to our second page. So this is the table visual. In this, I have taken three fields: energy source, state, and generation megawatt. So this table pretty much is straightforward, and it tells us what, for each state, for each respective energy source, how much energy is being generated by that energy source in that particular state. So this is what this table demonstrates us. Next visual is waterfall chart. So this waterfall chart, what this demonstrates us is what is the, and it's like it's just the what table demonstrates us in a value form, or in a in a text form. This visual demonstrates the same thing but in a pictorial view. So this is also the same, like what is the energy being generated by from each state by each energy source in a form of waterfall chart. So the field which I have taken for this is category I have taken as state, breakdown I have taken energy source, and values as generation megawatt. So this was up till now. We have covered 50% of our report. Let's jump on to the 3/4 part of our report. Yeah. So this visual, let me first show you the fields which I have used. Axis I have taken as year, values I have taken summer capacity megawatt. So what this field visual demonstrates us is, this visual says what is the summer capacity megawatt for each year, that is what is the value of electricity being generated for each year during the summer period of time. So this is what this visual demonstrates us. Next comes is summer capacity megawatt by year and fuel source. This is also similar to the one which we just now discussed above, uh, with a minor difference. The difference is, there we did not have any fuel source. Over here we have fuel, so that means what is the energy being generated for each year during the summer period by the fuel source. So this is what this visual demonstrates us. It's pretty much same, the fields are pretty much same like the previous above visual, with the addition of legend as fuel source. So this is the last part of our report. In this, we have up till now whatever we covered in the three pages of this report. It was all about the electricity that is being generated. We did not discuss about what is the electricity being consumed. So in this report, we'll be discussing about what amount of power has been consumed over these years. So so the first visual, which is a KPI, this demonstrates us, this tells us what is the amount of electricity that has been consumed over the entire year as a sum. So the amount of energy that has been consumed from 1990 to 2020 as per the data sets is 49.54 billion. So the fields which I have taken is indicator as consumption for electricity, and the trend axis I have taken as year. So the penultimate visual that we'll be discussing right now is uh, consumption for electricity by energy source. That means whatever the energy that has been generated by each energy source, how much amount of power we have consumed or electricity we have consumed over these 1990 from 1990 to 2020 years. So the fields which we have taken is axis as energy source and values as consumption for electricity. Now, the last one, the last visual we'll be discussing is pie chart. This is pretty much same, just what we did about the consumption for electricity by energy, so it's almost same, but there we had what is the energy we have consumed by the total amount of electricity being generated by energy source. Over here it talks about the state, that means what amount of energy we have consumed from 1990 year to 2020 by each respective state, by what amount of energy is being consumed by each respective state. So this is what this pie chart demonstrates us. The fields are like legend I have taken state, and values I have taken for consumption for electricity. And I have given a nice like a text box over here showing electricity report, which which anybody will get to know that this report is all about electricity report for will is talking about. And once you are done with the report, you can save the file, and you can format it as per your liking. You can make uh, categories, make this category, this what card has, you can make it bold, you can increase the font size, you can make it more appealing, you can do whatever you want as per your liking. And once you are done, just save it and publish it to the Power BI service. Let me publish it. Let's wait. Yeah, so select. I do not have any other workspace, so I have to select the default my workspace. So yeah, it has been uploaded over there, and let's hop over to my Power BI service, and I'll refresh it now. If I go to my workspace, you can see over here. Let's wait. Yeah, electricity. Yeah, you can see over here the electricity report has been published into my Power BI service. From here, I can share it with anybody, whosoever I want to. Suppose, uh, suppose I want to share it with the Neelam ma'am. All I need to enter their initials, and you can see it has automatically detected it, and that's all I need. Or if I want to send it to Kunal sir, see, it has automatically detected it, and I can click the send button. This file will get shared to my colleagues. So, or you can also, what you can do is, you can copy the link and share it to your respective colleagues, whomsoever you want to share it with. So that's it for today in this assignment, Power BI assignment. Hope you would have enjoyed it. Thanks.